Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
For your safety, certain rides may need to close during severe weather, such as electrical storms, heavy rain, or high winds. Most restaurants and shops will remain open. Rides will reopen as soon as safe operations can be assured. Unfortunately, refunds and rain checks are not offered for inclement weather.
Take our lead.
Food, beverages, coolers and grills may not be brought into the park. The only food exceptions are for food allergies as described below and infant food, in non-glass jars. No outside beverages are permitted. Please see security at Six Flags America to receive a medical sticker.
Take our lead.
Masks are required for all guests and team members while they are in the park. If you are unable to wear a mask, N95, surgical or cloth, then you may wear an acrylic face shield while you are in the park. Note: acrylic face shields may not be worn on any attractions. Only guests wearing a mask may ride the attractions.
Take our lead.
Six Flags America reserves the right to inspect all packages, purses, backpacks and fanny packs prior to entering the park. Sharp objects, weapons and illegal contraband are not permitted into the park. Six Flags America does provide a quicker, bagless entry for those without bags.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.